ti bub, starac sa planine.
The old man of the mountain.
Pazite! Starac sa planine! Pazite! Pazite! Starac sa planine! Pazite! U pomoć, starac sa planine! U pomoć!
Šta se dešava?
A white beard and a crooked stare tramps along with the folks all scared. With a dickle in his eye he passes them by, the old man of the mountain, for he wears long hair and his feet are bare. They say he's mad as a grizzly bear. His cares are none and he fears no one. The old man of the mountain, he talks with the bears when he's lonely, sleeps with the sky for a tent, and he'll eat you up when he's hungry, and it wouldn't cost him a red cent. And he'll live as long as an old oak tree. He'll eat up fools like you and me. Oh, I often sigh and jump and cry at the old man of the mountain.
Idem ja da vidim tog starca sa planine. Šta je bilo?
Starac sa planine! Starac sa planine!
You got to ho-dee-ho.
You gotta ho-dee-ho.
You got to hide-dee-hide.
You gotta hide-dee-hide.
You got to heat-dee-heat to get along with me.
Yeah, man, how do?
You got to learn my song.
I got to learn your song.
If you do me wrong,
I'm gonna do you wrong.
you got to kick the gong to get along with me.
What you gonna do now?
Gonna do the best I can. You got high.
You got to hide the high.
You got to heat the heat the heat.
You got to heat the heat the heat.
You got to head the head the hay to get along with hay.
Hi.
Hey, ho! When your sweetie tells you everything will be okay, just keep it with the bop up and the good news, skilly big hip hip the bop up and the big money. If you feel like shouting, advertise it just this way. Skiddy to scatterlet, skip it with the hurry up, skiddy bitty well. Skiddy to give it with the bop up and the skilly bitty hop, dilly bitty hop, dilly bitty lay. Oh, skiddy bitty well. Skitty bitty ditty, scat skilly billy, horror, gilly billy, what? Skit.